Hello, in front of me I've got PS5. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage quick PSVR2 settings. In the beginning, let's press the PlayStation button on the controller and now go to quick settings of PlayStation VR2. Now you can enter view surroundings, but this function is only available when the headset VR is on. Then you can adjust screen brightness, change screen size, enable or disable VR headset vibration, set play area, adjust visibility, manage eye tracking, and in other settings you can set floor height, adjust boundary display sensitivity, clear play area data, and then you can go to tutorials, like how to put on VR headset, adjust lens distance and VR headset position, change screen brightness, and again enable or disable VR headset vibration, change function button assignment, enable tracking camera calibration, change screen size, enable or disable lock audio position, change video output, enable or disable tracking support, open source software, and in the end you can set time until your VR headset turns off. And that's it for PlayStation VR2 settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.